which you can drink before you go to your bed tonight. Okay? All right. Here it is. Red onion. A lot of people does not use it in their cooking, and a lot of people use it for cooking. But the thing is, a lot of people doesn't know, you can use this right here and make a fantastic, beautiful cup of tea at home. All right. So what you want to do, you want to drink this before you go to your bed tonight, not tomorrow morning or not 12 o'clock tomorrow. You can also drink a cup in the morning. All right. So what you want to do, remove the skin. All right. This one. Here it is. This thing right here, red onion. You got the white one, but we're talking about the red one. All right. So what you want to do, you want to get at least a few slices and put it straight into a cup like this. You break it off. All right. And put it into your cup like that. All right. Now you can get a few more pieces and put into your cup just like that. Beautiful. All right. Now I want you to try this at home. All right. Red onion tea, they got thyme tea, and some people use the dry bit to make the tea, but me personally, I like to use this part to make the tea. All right. So what we're going to do, we're going to fill it with hot water, roughly about half cups of hot water. Nice one. Look at that. Beautiful. See that exactly what I'm talking about. All right. Now, once you do that, you're gonna get yourself. You can use either lemon or lime. All right. You can use lemon or lime. Cut into half. Squeeze it out. Get that beautiful seeds out now. Yeah. All right. Nice one. So I'm going to get some more juice into it. Fantastic. All right. See? Now what you want to do is get about 3 slices, put it straight out of the cup like this, just like that. Then get some apple cider vinegar. I'm gonna put roughly about a teaspoon. Nice one. And that's what you want to do. And honestly, that is beautiful, fantastic. Vanessa, welcome. All right, now look at that. That's the red onion tea right here. A lot of people may not be able to drink it on its own. They may want to use a little bit of a honey or sweetener. But to be honest, me personally, I drink it natural like this. Alright. But what you're supposed to do, you're supposed to leave it for roughly about 5 minutes and make it onion dissolve into the water. Alright? That's what you want to do. So this is just very, very good for weight loss and also detoxing of the body. This can help you to flush out the whole bad fat and, you know what I mean, and all these things. Now, what you want to do is try and drink this before you go to your bed. Just give it a try. You may not like it, and you may like it. All right, but if you try it and you like it, that will be really good for you guys. And if it is work for you, that's even 100% better. All right, now I'm going to fantastic. Now the thing is, well, a lot of people may not know. A lot of people might say, well, why is using red onion to make tea? Why you use it to cook with? So what you can do is get your phone and do some research. All right, as I said, some people use the leaf to make the tea, but me personally, I like to use this part to make my tea. So I'm drinking it right now. As you can see it for yourself, that is just lovely and an amazing, fantastic. Now you can give it a try at home and see exactly what Chef Ricardo been talking about. Beautiful and an amazing. Look at that. Fantastic. And I know you guys will love this one. It's something new to a lot of people. But the thing is, a lot of people doesn't know that natural ingredients is the best thing to use to make tea. You got garlic tea. Yeah, you got like fresh thyme tea and all different kind of tea. But now I'm making a red onion tea for you guys. That is fantastic and amazing. Welcome to Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. If you're the first time you see Chef Ricardo do something like this, follow me on my YouTube channel, Chef Ricardo Cooking, and get some tips and ideas how to look after yourself at home and be healthy and eat healthy and live a healthy lifestyle. Very fantastic and amazing. All right, so this is the red onion tea right here I'm drinking. And you want to drink this? To be honest, you can drink it early in the morning before you eat your breakfast, or at night before you go to your bed, and you will see exactly what Chef Ricardo is talking about. Red onion tea. Yeah, fantastic and amazing. I love it. The thing is, the onion is very sweet, so you don't need to add any sugar inside of it. You just want to keep it real and organic like this. It's fantastic and amazing, guys. Honestly, 100% you will love it. Look at that. Beautiful. So when you drink this, you want to leave it to soak into your body. All right? Yeah, that's what you want to do. Leave it and make it soak into your body, and you will see the difference. If you drink it for 3 days straight, then you will see exactly what I'm talking about. So basically, if you're a person who, like me, like to detox and do a lot of weight loss recipe and healthy eating, then you will know exactly what I'm talking about with natural ingredients like spring onion, garlic, fresh thyme, and all these things. Then you will see exactly what I'm talking about. All right. Now the thing is, I want you to try this one. All right. You may not like it and you may like it, but give it a try. All right. Beautiful one. Look at that. Amazing one from Chef Ricardo. cooking show today. All right. Yeah. Very, very nice one. You just have to try, guys. You may not like it. Yeah. Beautiful. As you can see, I drink everything. And you can also eat the onion. If you like, just take out a piece like this and eat it. Because it's sweet. And really nice. Wow. The onion is delicious. Wow. I don't want to waste the onion. Look at this bit. Really nice. I'm gonna eat this. That is really nice. I love the onion because it's sweet. This one, really nice. Really nice. Anyway, guys, as you can see, that's it. All right. Yeah, done and dusted, and I drink it. All right. So the only thing I can do is encourage you. If you want to try it, you can try it. All right. But the most important thing I would encourage you to do, because you may be allergic to certain things, is for you to do your own research. All right. Before you even try it, make sure you don't have any health issue and all these things. Please do your research. It's very important for you to do your research. All right, guys. But this tea is very, very healthy, very good for you. And honestly, you can try it at home and you can see exactly what Chef Ricardo has been talking about. I'm just going to take the time out to say thank every one of you for watching, and hopefully you will find this really helpful for you to make at home into your spare time. All right, just try it. You may not like it. All right. So as you can see, it is an amazing one from Chef Ricardo today. All right. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. As you can see, yeah, see you next time in the kitchen. You just have to try and see what happened. All right. See you next time. Bye bye.